How to convert a fraction to a decimal. So to convert a fraction to a decimal, look, you need to divide the numerator by the denominator. Look, here numerator is 1 and denominator is 4. So divide 1 by 4. Look, 1 is less than 4. So you need to rewrite 1 as decimal number. You can take any number of 0 after 1 according to your need. 4 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 4, that gives you 0. If you subtract, then you are getting 1. Just bring down the first 0. And look, before this 0, you have a decimal point, and decimal point will go directly to the quotient. Now 4 goes into 10 how many times? Look, 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Just you need to add 4 with this 4. Then you will get 8. Then 4 times 3, just add 4 with this 8. 12, right? Okay. So 12 is greater than 10. So you need to consider this step. 4 times 2, 8. 4 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times. 2 times 4, 8. Now subtract 2. Bring down this 0. 20. Now multiplication table. You need to check for 20. So 4 times 4, just add 4 with this 12, that is 16. Then 4 times 5, just add 4, that is 20. So 4 times 5 equal to 20. So 4 goes into 25 times. 20, subtract 0. So 1 over 4 equal to 0.25, and this is the decimal form. You can say this is the type 1 decimal. So let us take, this is the type 1 fraction. If I take type 2 fraction, that is 3 over 1 by 5. This is the mixed fraction. How to convert this mixed fraction to decimal? So just you need to rewrite this mixed fraction or number to like this: 3 whole number part plus fractional part. Now your task is to convert this fractional part to decimal. So 1 over 5. So just divide the numerator. Just divide the numerator by the denominator. 1 is less than 5, so you can rewrite this one. 5 goes into 1 0 times. 0 times 5, 0. If you subtract then 1, bring down the first 0. So you are getting 10. But here is a decimal point, so decimal point will go directly to the quotient. 5 goes into 10 2 times. So 3 plus 1 over 5 means 0.2. Now add. 3 is a whole number, so you can write it as a decimal. 3.0. Now here 0.2. You need to line up the decimal. 2, 3, then decimal. That is 3.2, which is the decimal number. So now by using this method, you can express any mixed number to decimal. Here is a third type of fraction. Look, 3 over 100 or 3 over 10, like this. So how to look? Denominator is the denominator is the power of 10. 10 to the power 1, which is 10. 10 to the power 2, which is 100. 10 to the power 3, which is 1000. So if you get denominator like this, then it is easy to convert it to decimal. Here you have 2 0, so decimal point will move to the left 2 digit, right? So 1 digit, then you need to consider this 2 digit. So 0.3 will be your answer. Here you are getting 1 0, so decimal point will move to 1 digit to the left. So 0.3, right? If you have like this 3 over 1000, then decimal point will move to the 3 digit left. So you have to take placeholders 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the decimal form.